In this video, I will show you how to fix ESPN app keeps crashing. So for that, first of all, click and hold on to the ESPN icon. Then click on app info. From here, click on force stop, then confirm it. Then go to storage uses. Here, click on clear cache. After that, go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for ESPN. From here, check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply update your app. And if your app is fully up to date and still not working, then go to settings, scroll till the end. Here you will find about device, click on it, then click on storage. Here you will see if your storage is getting full or almost full, then that is the reason your app keeps on crashing. Simply delete some unnecessary apps, files, folders, videos, etc. The next thing that you can do is check your Wi-Fi connection, make sure that it's working properly. And if you have any VPNs, ad blockers or any proxy turned on, simply turn it off. And even after all of it, if it's still not working, simply delete the ESPN app. Then restart your phone by clicking and hold on to the power button. Turn the slider upward. Once the app is restarted, simply go to Play Store and download the app again. Log in and then try using it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.